to Bales from the Fur World. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your decks with bleach, water, and dish soap. And this can save you money.
So what's the ratio?
You need 3 cups of water and 1 cup of bleach.
And a little?
And a little dish soap.
Alright, let's get mixing. I'll help you with the bleach.
Yeah, I don't want to. The water, you need to have clear water. Well, mostly clear water. You can see through it. You have to see through it. Not that.
Hold on. We're going to pour it in here. This is a sprayer.
You just gave me a wow.
Now put 3 cups into the sprayer. Dip it.
Hi, I didn't know what you're doing. What are you doing?
Neil, you're going to get wet. There's bleach on that. The plants are going to get spoiled.
What are you doing?
We're cleaning the decks.
Alright. It's a bit more just because sometimes it's built.
Okay, come back. No touching. This is bleach. Alright. Neil, will you please let go? No.
This bleach? Yeah, that's bleach. It smells like water.
That's water.
Yes?
Yeah.
Neil has a chocolate mouth. Neil has a chocolate mouth. It has bleach in it though. This is lake water. Are you dumb?
Hey.
They left it in my face. We're adding more bleach to it because we just need to finish the whole thing.
Yeah, we only got a little bit left. So we need now 6 cups of water.
Alright, Neil.
You could be the soap guy, okay?
There you go.
Okay.
Here. 1 cup. 2. Wait, do undo this book. I'll save you for these so that we can make a ball leaf pile. 3.
It's not on, Neil.
How do you turn it on?
I'll show you. You don't want to get on your clothes. It's going to stain them.
Data, you're making a mess. Yeah, you're making a mess.
Alright, soap guy.
Wait. First, get up. I said, get up. Stand up. How many things do you need to do?
Just, use your judgment. Do 5.
Alright. 4, Neil. Do 4. I want to at least do 1. Let me hold. 2, 3.
Oh, you need more than that.
4, 5. Wait, Neil, that's too much. Alright. Squeeze it all the way. That's enough.
Alright, let me see. Is there soap in there?
Yeah.
Okay, we need some little bit of water to wash it down.
Just put the whole thing in.
Hey, look.
It needs to wash it.
Okay, let me put on the cap.
And
Okay, Bella.
I didn't know what you were doing. I planned on doing the power wash video tomorrow.
Yeah, you could help with the power washing. Alright.
So now I'm going to show you to our 3rd dock. The first 2 docks over there, they're joined together. Well, we already pretty much cleaned them. So we just need to clean the 3rd dock.
Alright, let's go.
The 3rd dock isn't that dirty, just the steps really.
Okay.
We barely use the 3rd dock because it's like overgrown area. That's the steps to that dock. That's the main dock right up there. You can just use these steps to go to the 2nd dock over there because they're together, like you said.
Okay, let's go to the 3rd dock.
Directly, you can go from over there. I don't like to do that. There's also overgrown. At our cottage, we have tons of animals and stuff. So, like, there's just 1 squirrel that's coming into our main cottage. Can I watch other things? I'm ready. Be careful, it's slippery here.
So this is the condition of the...
Stairs.
Yeah, let me get zoomed down.
These This is condition of the steps. Like tons of algae and built up dirt on it. And mud, some leaves. The bleach will probably kill all the leaves, like leaves and stems and stuff of these like small tiny trees and stuff.
I have mosquito bites.
Yeah, right. Look, you're barely even getting any mosquitoes here. This trip does not let me mosquitoes. So this is our third dock. Over here, it's like a smaller little area over here. In our main dock, it's like a big area over there. Over here,
Oh, you see over there? No dog.
What is that? Oh, look, a tiny baby fishy! You see it swimming? Look, it's over there. This is our private beach. The water has gone down very much.
I've been swimming in it.
Yeah, you said it was too cold, so I didn't
Okay.
come.
Yes.
We're gonna go paddle boating tomorrow, so might do a video about that. And also, we're gonna. I think if we don't have our swimsuits, but if we can, I'll go in my like clothes.
Okay.
Like
Now,
in the beach. The water has gone down a ton. Like almost every property here has private beach. Right over.
spray the solution. You guys,
Move back.
remember, you don't step
So
on
our thing is actually pretty dirty than I expected. Yeah, my dad is just pumping. There, right up there, actually, we have a little bench area. Over there, we also have a little bench area, but it's not as cute as this. I like it. This is my favorite dock.
Okay. Stand back. You go up.
Alright.
Bella,
Can we
are you
sit-
shooting or what?
Yeah, can we sit there?
No, I'm going to spray it.
Alright. Stand back while your grown-ups doing this. Kids don't do this at home. Really?
You said.
Well, no, if you're old enough to, really. If you're not like 3 years old, do not try this. No one wants you to get bleach in your eyes or something.
Or
this
get
soap.
any Nerf guns. I have many.
Wait, this is bleach. Screw up your mama's going to get mad at me.
Yeah, it'll bleach your skin. People bleach their skin, just to get it lighter. No one wants lighter skin.
Okay, we don't want to get it on the dock because this is bleach. We don't want that bleach in the water, right?
Yeah,
So I'm just going to do this.
but it's going on the dock, kind of. I just realized that there are holes for the water. If there aren't any holes in your dock, I guess, like in the middle of
Alright,
it.
guys. Up.
I guess that is okay.
The water's calm today.
Yeah, they're like skiers and stuff. Like how beautiful
That's
this
the
is.
upside down. Oh, in the water.
Well, that isn't. That's
It is. It's upside
that's just
down.
reflection. Our cottage is a very beautiful place to be during the summertime. It's like nice and cool. My dog absolutely loves it here.
Each time we say let's go to Cottage, he immediately black box.
Yeah, he starts wagging his tail. He gets so excited because like
Watch it. This is a small leak in here.
it's looking like. Tomorrow we'll do a before and after part of the video. So look, tons of pine tree stuff. Yeah, pine tree spikes. I'm not sure what
I
they're called.
got a nice little green leaf. This is gonna be ripped.
Leaves, algae, built up dirt,
Spider webs.
spider webs. This is a really old cottage. I've been coming here probably ever since I was born. That's my Neil, actually. I've been probably coming here ever since I was like 3 months old. Actually, helps get the wood more clean. It does nothing. It pulls up all the algae and built up dirt, so it'll be easier to like just pressure wash it.
Oh, good.
Right back to the video. Also, the sides have also got algae on them. This is a very worn out deck. I am hoping in the future. This log falling down. I'm hoping in the future that we'll be able to replace the wood. Like,
That's fine. Nothing wrong with it.
no, like all the rotting wood.
There's nothing wrong with it.
There is.
No?
Yeah, there's tons of things.
No, that's how it's built.
Really? Well, if this ever turns to rot, I'm hoping to start replacing the rotting wood until it's fully replaced. Because I don't want to fall through once. Our cottage is on like a mountain. Well, no, it's a big hill. Not a mountain. Mountains are very high up. Look at the chimney. It's just like cute. So, yeah. If ever a tree falls down, like that one looks like. But then not in our area. It's supposed to rain the whole morning today.
Alright, tell the kids tomorrow we'll do the part 2 of this video.
Okay, I'll do it after you finish.
Yeah, I'm done.
So kids. So tomorrow we're gonna do a before and after with the bleaching. And then we'll do a before, after, and then after what's it called? Pressure washing with because the things are just gonna come up like from the wood. They're not gonna just scrub themselves, lock themselves off.
So see you tomorrow.
So see you tomorrow. And also, if you just do the bleaching and you don't have a pressure washer, you can try putting water into the same thing you're using to bleach it. If it has like
no, they use a brush.
Yeah, you can use a brush
to clean it.
like to clean it. But don't use something like an X-Acto knife if you're thinking of it, because if you X-Acto knives will just scrape off the wood.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Bye. See you tomorrow. To the video. This is part 2, and if you look right here, look how much it's come up. Like you can kind of see the green now, and then there's still some dirt spots. And if you look right here, there's tons of green. Look how much of the green that came up. Look how much algae came up. So that's our pressure washer. If you don't have one, just use a wet brush.
Shoot me starting the pressure wash.
I'm going into the water.
It's already on, right?
Yeah. You're on.
Can I do the pressure wash?
Yeah, let go. It's gonna blow a hole right through you.
I'm just going to point it like this.
No, Neil. That's like a good boy.
Look how much stuff is coming off. Hey, welcome to Bella's Wonderful World. Today, well, this is part 3 of doing the pressure washing video. So we finished doing the pressure washing yesterday. So now it's a new day. So we're gonna show you. So right now over here, it wasn't done too properly. As you can see, there's some really white bits and then some really dark bits.
Oh, we'll use the brightener, wood brightener later on.
No, you don't need wood brightener. It's just that it's already getting dirty and it wasn't washed properly.
Well, it'll wash properly.
This part's more proper, but you can still see that there's some still lighter spots than the rest.
That's how it is. That's wood.
No, that's not the wood.
But we'll show the kids the before and after. And they could do it too. Next year you're cleaning all the stairs.
See over here, there's tons of chipmunks and stuff here. There must have been running over here, and this must have happened. Yep. The builders also didn't cut this properly, I think.
Alright, let's go.
I don't think the builders cut this properly. Did the boosters build this?
Yeah.
Oh. It must be really rich. The water, look, the beach is more showing.
Show the kids your beach.
This is our private beach. It expands all the way until over there. Over here is where the beach area is, like this side of the whole docks. But then on that side, it's not that beachy. Right over there, it's our new play place. It has tons of bugs and stuff crawling on there, which you can't really see. But then still, it's a nice place. There, you can find skipping rocks and skip it from there. I like the spot. It looks like really like the beach. I watched this YouTuber, and then he was talking about the stuff at like lakes. I'm not sure if he said lakes or not, but then he said if you dig right at the tide place, like that spot where the water is over there, where the foam is. I don't know why this foam. Really, there isn't that much foam. There's no foam at all, really. And then, like, that stuff, then you just need to dig for a bit. A few, like, hand scoops of sand. And then you'll find a little creature.
Okay, end the video.
And I'm not sure what it's called. But also, if you look right over here, it looks like really brand new. But as you can see, it's also getting very dirty. Yesterday, when my dad was showing it to me, or what's it? Yeah, it was yesterday. From up there, it looked like it was looking so brand new. But then when you come up close, you can tell that's way dirtier. Right on this one right here, or on this one dirty. All of them you can't really clean that properly. But this side is the best side. This side isn't that good.
Okay, stay tuned for our next video and subscribe.
Is that watermarks?
Bella,
Sorry.
do the ending.
There are some people.
Okay, we're gonna go now.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Subscribe.
Please subscribe and leave a big thumbs up.
Look in the
And
camera.
turn on the notifications. Until the next video. Bye.